Hey everyone, my name is Tyler and I'm with Bedford Camera and Video, and in today's video we're going to go over file structure and organization in your video projects. Let's take a look. So for this example, we're going to use the desktop just to keep it as clean as possible. First, we're going to start off by right-clicking, and I'm going to create a new folder. So this is going to be our project, and name it whatever the client's name is or whatever you're working on. And so we'll have this root folder to work in. And so now let's go over to the next side over here, and we'll create a new folder for that one. And this one we will call video. And within video, we can create another folder within that. First one could be footage. Another one could be screen captures. And within footage, if you're shooting with more than one camera, it's always helpful to separate each camera into its own folders, so you know exactly where cam A is, cam B, cam C, and going further. So let's go to cam A. Let's make another one, call it cam B. And just for fun, make cam C. And now we'll make another folder back over here under video. We'll make another one called audio. And you may have multiple audio sources. Maybe you have some audio files that were sent to you. Maybe it's archival footage from a long time ago. You can make that one archival. This other one is going to be from an audio recorder. And you can also separate this by take or by day. And now let's make another one. This one is going to be our graphics folder. I've also seen some people put it as GFX, a little bit easier to find some ways. And so under the graphics folder, if you happen to be working in Fusion or After Effects or Motion, these are great places to put that. So we'll put After Effects, so you can save all of your files there. It's easy to follow. Let's make another one for PNGs, another one for JPEGs. So you can find all of those individual files on this one. And also under audio, it's helpful to put sound effects. On this one, we can call it SFX. And of course, you can make other folders for other content, maybe one for documents. And on the last one, what I want to do is create a renders folder or exports. I usually use the term renders, and I will put an underscore at the beginning to make that go to the very top. And I'm trying to make renders as large as possible so it's easy to know exactly where it is. And this is where I can have my final outputs. And that's a simple way to keep your files organized and structured in a way that's easy to find different items whenever you're editing. It's also helpful whenever you are editing with another person. You can easily just drag that one root folder over to a drive, and so they have all of those assets that they're looking for. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. My name is Tyler with Bedford Camera and Video, and we'll see you next time.